National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Caldwell Parish, Southeastern Union Parish, Washita Parish, until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:12 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Brownsville-Bochamville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Monroe, Claiborne, West Monroe, Brownsville-Bochamville, Swartz, Richwood, Sterlington, Loch Lomond, Pine Grove, Guthrie, Fondale, Moscow, Deshard, Drew, Fairbanks, Millhaven, Perryville, and Lappin. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Caldwell, Washita, and Union. Tornado watch number